A powerful 6.0 magnitude earthquake has devastated eastern Afghanistan, leveling entire villages across Kunar and Nangarhar provinces near Jalalabad. At least 800 people have lost their lives and thousands more are injured, with the toll continuing to rise as rescuers struggle against landslides, blocked roads, and collapsed buildings. Helicopters are racing to airlift survivors from isolated areas, while families search through the rubble for loved ones. This marks Afghanistan's third catastrophic earthquake in just 4 years, leaving the Taliban government pleading for urgent international aid as the country endures yet another heartbreaking tragedy.